Hello students, welcome to Capper e-learning. Today we learn division algorithm. So what do you mean by division algorithm? Let me give you a simple example. Jana mi म्हणता divide 6 by 3. How do we write this as? Divide 6 by 3. So we write this as now divide 6 म्हणता तेन्ना सदांच भितर बरोवप. Okay, by 3. Okay, so what is the answer? 3 2s are 6. We change the sign. The answer is 0. Now, what is 3, what is 6, what is 2 and what is 0? That we are going to see. So, आम्ही किती म्हणता divide 6 म्हणता किती म्हणता divide. So, किती आमचो dividend. आणि ह्या dividendak आम्ही 3 आणि किती करता divide करता. So, हो किती आमचो divisor. Okay, so this is called as quotient. And so answer urta, that is called as remainder. So jadna answer 0 येता, that time we can say 3 is factor of 6. म्हणजे किती 6 च्या टेबलान 3 येता, or you can say 3 च्या टेबलान 6 येता. So they both are factors. So I can say 3 is a factor of 6. If I take one more example, let's say divide 7 by 2. How do I solve this? Now divide 7 by 2. So 2 3s are 6. Change the sign. What is the answer? 1. So in this case, what is my remainder? Remainder is 1. It is not 0. So 2 is not factor of 7. So 2 and 7 ekmekacha table A now. So okay. Now we'll see one more relation. Before that, in our polynomial, आता आम्ही polynomial lesson किती करतले? आम्ही दोन polynomials घेतले. So आमचा जो dividend असता तोय polynomial असतलो आणि जो divisor असता तोय polynomial असतलो. We will divide it and see what is the answer. Okay. So as I said, in polynomials, we will have a dividend. And that dividend will be write as p of x. This will be my dividend. My divisor will be g of x. My quotient will be q of x. And my answer will be r of x. कशे याद दवरप? If you see alphabetical order, पयली g येता काय पयली p येता? पयली g येता. So g हांगा आसतलो. Then you have p. Okay, then you have quotient, q for quotient, r for remainder. So q आणि r हाजो काय तुमका प्रॉब्लेम ना, कित्याक क्वेश्चन म्हणल्यार q, r म्हणल्यार रिमाइंडर. फक्त तुमका हे याद दवरपाक जाय की g आसा तो भायर घेवप, कित्याक when we go from this way, first कितें येता g येता आनी मागीर p येता. Okay, so we can write this in other way, that is p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. So एक तर आम्ही अशें फाइंड करपाक शकता, नाल्यार आम्ही अशें फाइंड करपाक शकता. सो जे आम्ही हे केला, लेट अस ट्राय. दिस इज करेक्ट. सो माझो p of x किती आशिल्लो हांगा 7. सो हे साइडी आमकां आन्सर येवपाक जाय 7 येवपाक जाय, कित्याक आमी इक्वल टू म्हणटा. सो व्हॉट इज g of x? 2. व्हॉट इज q of x? यू सी हियर क्वोशंट कितलो आसा 3 प्लस रिमाइंडर कितलो येयलो 1. 2 into 3 कितलो 6. 6 plus 1 कितलो 7. So this is correct. Okay. So आता मी पळोवया in general आम्ही हे कशे बरोवपाक शकता. So let us say if p of x and g of x are any two polynomials. So आम्ही उदो जे example पहिले तितून आम्ही numbers घेतले. So now let's say these are polynomials. So it may be linear, quadratic, कितें आसपाक शकता. And g of x is not equal to 0. So we have to make sure that g of x is not equal to 0. Then we can find polynomials q of x and r of x. So जेन्ना p of x and g of x दिले आसतले तेन्ना आमी q of x and r of x कशे फाइंड करपाक शकता? By using this formula, which is p of x equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x. So our formula students is called as division algorithm for polynomials. It's very, very important formula. Most of the time, 99% problems are asked based on this formula for your polynomial lesson. So, तुमका सारखं खबर असपाक जाय, okay? So, where r of x is equal to 0 or degree of r of x is less than degree of g of x. So, जो r of x असता तो 0 असपाक शकता किंवा or else the degree of rx should be less than degree of g of x. जेन्ना प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करतले तेन्ना हांव कितें आतां म्हणटा तें तुमकां सारकें तेन्ना अंडरस्टँड जातलें. ओके, सो दिस रिजल्ट इज नोन एज डिविजन algorithm for polynomials. Now let us solve some problems. So exercise on division algorithm. So let us take one problem first. Divide the polynomial. So आमकां polynomial दिल्लें आसा p of x आणि we have to divide it by g of x. So हो माझो कितें जातलो dividend आणि हो कितें जातलो divisor. So this is my divisor आणि हो माझो dividend. आमकां कितें फाइंड करपाक जाय quotient and remainder. These two things we have to find. So हे problem solve करचे पयली कितें करूया आमी we'll do step by step. Okay, so I'll write first step. So I'll write steps like step 1. So let us see what is first step. पयली तुम्ही कितें करपाक जाय जे तुमकां डिविडंड आणि डिवायजर दिला तांची तुम्ही डिग्री पळोवपाक जाय आणि ते आमकां परत बरोवचे पडटले इफ द डिग्रीज आर नॉट इन डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. यू हॅव टू मेक शुअर की जो डिग्री आसा दॅट हॅज टू बी इन डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. नाव इफ यू सी हियर हाजी डिग्री 3, हाजी 1, हाजी 2, सो दे इट इज नॉट इन डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज राइट check the polynomials whether they are having degrees in decreasing order. So this will become x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 10. Now if you see 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Now check for g of x. अजून काय देऊ ना, अजून डायरेक्ट स्टँडर्ड असा हांगा डिग्री 1 असा हांगा 0 आसा. नो नीड ऑफ चेंजिंग दिस. ओके, सो दिस विल बी माय स्टेप 1. आता कितें करूया आमी सॉल्व करूया. सो आय एम रायटिंग डिविडंड ओवर हियर x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 10. Okay, I will write my divisor over here. Okay, so divisor करूया. So divisor किती माझो x plus 1. Okay, fine. आता step 2. Step 1 मध्ये आमकां आता step 2. We have to find the first term of quotient. How? By dividing first term of dividend with first term of divisor. म्हळ्यार कितें हाजो जो फर्स्ट टर्म आसा ताका आनी डिवायड करप, देन विल गेट फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ क्वोशंट. जेन्ना आमी डिवायड करता, ओके, सो लेट्स से दिस इज आमचो रफ वर्क घेता, देन हांव डिवायड करता. दिस आय यूज फॉर रफ वर्क. सो एक्स क्यूब अपॉन एक्स करतना आन्सर कितें येतलें एक्स स्क्वेअर. ओके, सो आय एम रायटिंग इट ओवर हियर. सो म्हजो फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ क्वोशंट मेळ्ळो म्हाका. नाव यू मल्टिप्लाय विथ divisor. So x square into x is x cube and x square plus 1 into, so x square into 1 is x square. So now we'll do simple mathematics. आता इथून तुम्ही एक गोष्ट याद दवरपाक जाय, जी डिग्री असता ती सारखी एकमेकाच्या सकयल येवपाक जाय. हो x क्यूब हांव आनी काही बरोवपाक शकना, हांगाच आसतलो. सो हे 4x हांगा काय ना, सो हांव 0x बरयता आनी हांगा 0 बरयता. ओके, नाव चेंज द सायन्स. प्लस हांव मायनस जातलो, प्लस मायनस जातलो, प्लस दिस विल हॅव नो इम्पॅक्ट. सो हो कॅन्सल जालो. सो उरलें कितें -3 आणि -1. वॉट इज -3 -1 -4x स्क्वेअर. सो हे कितें जातलें +4x + 10 आसा तशें बरोवप. ओके, नाव आय रायट स्टेप 3. सो वॉट इज स्टेप 3? सो नाव दिस रिमाइंडर बिकम्स डिविडंड. सो रिमाइंडर becomes new डिव्हिडंड म्हणल्यार कितें हांगा आतां कशें आमी डिव्हिडंड घेतले आनी ताजे फर्स्ट टर्माक डिवायड केले सेम वी हॅव टू रिपीट विथ दीस नाव सो हांगा तो फर्स्ट टर्म कितें आसा -4x². So this I have to divide with what again x. So किती उरले -4x. So here I am writing this -4x. So what is -4x into x is -4x². -4x into 1 किती जातले -4x. आणि किती आसा ना. So again so change the sign. हे मायनस आसल्यार प्लस करप ही मायनस आसा अगेन प्लस करप आणि काय घेवपाक गरज ना. सो -4x² + 4x² कॅन्सल जाता +4 + 4 कितले जाले 8x + 10. ओके सो हे till until when we have to continue this कितले म्हणसर आमी करीत रावप. सो फॉर दॅट आय एम गिविंग यू स्टेप 4. The step 4 is जो पर्यंत आमचो जो रिमाइंडर असता ताची डिग्री हाज्याकून कमी जायना हाज्याकून म्हणजे कोणाच्याकून डिवायझराकून कमी जायना तो पर्यंत करीत रावप. सो कंटिन्यू until degree of remainder r of x is either equal to 0 or less than what degree of degree of divisor. Fine, great. So now let us see. हांगा 8x हाची डिग्री कितली 1 हाची डिग्री कितली 1. So it is not greater than, also it is not less than, it is equal to. So again we have to continue. So this 8x upon x किती येले 8 येले. So write this 8 here plus 8. So 8 into x is 8x. 8 into 1 is 8. Again change the sign. Plus minus plus minus. So plus 10 minus 8. कितले आले plus 2. Now if you see हाजी degree कितली 0. हाजी degree कितली 1. So this degree is less than degree of divisor. Now we can stop. So I have got my quotient as x² minus 4x plus 8 and my remainder is what plus 2. All right, so this is the way you have to solve the problem. Okay, now if I have to cross check, what I have to do, I have to write a formula. What is that? P of x equal to q of x into what? G of x plus r of x. So what you can do, in place of p of x you write is, in place of qx you write x² minus 4x plus 8. In place of g of x you write x plus 1 and the remainder 2. So here जेन्ना तुम्ही simplify करतले then तुमका answer हे मेळपाक जाय. So in your exam तुमका either question would be asked to find quotient and remainder, or तुमका maybe quotient आणि remainder दिलो आसतलो आणि maybe तुमका even p of x which is your dividend दिलो आसतलो and you have to find divisor. So it is just simple mathematics you have to do, but focus more on this kind of problems because here जर तुमका कळटा जाल्यार मुखाली step is very very simple. So thank you so much. I hope this is clear now. So I'll give problems, exercise problems on this topic in Google Classroom assignment section. Okay, thank you.